Grace, in short, happy birthday.
Happy 18th birthday, Ate Mel.
18th birthday, Mel.
Hi, Ate Mel. Happy 18th birthday. Happy 18th birthday, Mel.
Happy 18th birthday. Hello, hi Mel Grace. So, happy 18th birthday sa'yo and patuloy lang, God bless.
Happy 18th birthday, Mel.
Happy birthday, Mel.
Happy birthday, Ate Mel.
Happy 18th birthday, Mel.
Happy 18th birthday sa'yo. Go, go, go!
Kapatid, happy 18th birthday. Yun, sana masaya ka ngayong kaarawan mo. Hindi, sana mag-enjoy ka sa gagawin namin. Yo, what's up?
What's up, Mel Grace, Rakan? So, happy birthday. Ingat lagi and God bless. So, yun lang. Happy birthday. Ingat ka lagi. Huwag mo na magjojowa.
Hello, Mel. Happy 18th birthday. Masya kami na nakasama ka namin ngayon. I hope na magkasama ulit tayo pa rin sa ministry, sa ginagawa natin. Happy birthday, mag-enjoy ka ngayong araw.